Check out my first YouTube video on this channel. You know me, it had to be glam. Let's get into this flashback. This year I decided to make everything I wanted to give my mom for Mother's Day. Since quarantine, I could do just that. She is remodeling, so I will be creating some unique pieces of decor to give her the glam look she deserves. Let's see how I made these easy glam candle holders. Then keep on watching. Welcome to Wild Things Creative Crafting. Subscribe, click the bell to receive all new posts, and like this video. Voila! I can't wait to see the look on my mother's face when she sees these candle holders. This was an easy project and you can create this right at home. Let me know in the comment section below if you think my mom is going to love these glam candle holders. Want more DIY videos like these? Then subscribe to the channel. Click the bell to receive all new posts. Give us a like. Share this video. Leave your thoughts below. Thanks for watching Wild Things Creative Crafting.